Yeah, it is. It really is chilly here, Christina, but no rain. A break in the rain at this point as many communities catching their breath after the first wave of this storm hit a few hours ago. With the rain overnight, Susan, you were sleeping through. A lot of folks were holding their breath. Some dramatic swift water rescues. Let's get right to this story. Many locations. To the video we go. First stop, this is Ontario and a river rescue in the, actually, Cucamonga Wash. A woman trapped in the water being sucked by the current to a drainage pipe in that wash. Firefighters able to pull her out safely. And then this, the city of Orange, the Orange County Fire Authority with their swift water rescue rushing quickly to the Santa Ana River. A man is in that current, that water. The current is faster, stronger than anyone imagined. They're able to get the rope around that man, pull him out to safely. More video now. This the city of Duarte. Not high water here, but the concern of mud and debris flows. The area by the hillside hit by the fish fire. Remember that last summer? That hillside left barren by the fire, so you mix the rain, the barren hillside, yes, the threat of mudslides and debris flows. The city quickly setting up K-rails to act as a channel to direct that mud away from the homes, to keep the homes safe. The neighbors have been restless, holding their breath, but they say at this point, with the rain, those K-rails are doing the job. Listen.
The K-rails are doing a good job. They're keeping the mud from flowing when it does get stronger. I don't believe we're going to have a lot of mudslides this year.
What makes you say that?
Well, we're still in a La Nina, and we haven't gotten into El Nino yet, so I don't believe we'll have those massive storms that we did 4 or 5 years ago.
And now another stop. Let's hope that guy's right. No major mudslides. We don't want to have to face that tragedy, unfortunately. This is up in Studio City in the valley, and that is the Tahunga Wash. Look at it. The neighbors there say they can't remember the last time they saw the Tahunga Wash so active with a high level of water moving so rapidly. But the wash did its job, kept the area around Studio City, some of those low-lying streets, from being flooded. No problems there. Enough so that a lot of the folks, the neighbors, decided to go out even though it was raining, with some light drizzles continuing through the midday time, going out with their umbrellas, doing some Christmas shopping as the wash carrying the water away. As we come back out live, concerns though through the night with more rain coming. I talk about concerns. The fire departments will have their swift water rescue teams on standby through the early evening, the early morning hours, and concern out here in the higher elevation from the CHP, particularly the Grapevine behind me. Talk is maybe they may have some moving precipitation coming through. Colder temperatures. It's cold already. CHP saying maybe down to 3,500 feet. They'll be watching for icing. The bottom line there, it could bring some problems for the morning commute. We're on it. We'll have more for you at 10. Now back to both you ladies we go.